As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC pump-driven engine power range covering from 36 kilowatts to 410 kilowatts. Emission standard can reach up to EU Stage 3.
Hi everyone, this is Haley from PumpMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce DCEC QSB3.9-P110 pump drive engine. DCEC QSB3.9-P110 pump drive engine is a 4-cylinder inline engine with 3.9-liter displacement, equipped with HPCR fuel system and LL intercooler system. The maximum output torque is 503 Nm. The overall dimensions of our DCEC QSB3.9-P110 pump drive engine is 1018 by 625 by 1085 mm, and the net weight is 472 kilograms. The rated power is 79 kW at rated speed 1500 per minute. The emission standard is EU Stage 3. The standard DCEC QSB3.9-P110 pump drive engine comes with following accessories: charging alternator, oil filter, starter motor, turbocharger, fuel filter, high pressure common rail, fuel pump, flywheel housing, flywheel, electric control unit, based on standard DCEC QSB3.9-P110 pump drive engine. PumpMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, NFPA standard engine control panel, air filter, muffler, DPF, output shaft, air intake shutoff valve, clutch, DC contactor, jacket water preheater, gearbox, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, PumpMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as flywheel and flywheel housing type and size, turbocharger direction, various speed control, etc. We also can provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry customers' requirement, and we have capability to satisfy most of customers' requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
With affordable Chinese-level prices, PumpMac provide flexible premium pump-driven power pack for all kinds of applications, including irrigation, fire protection, ships, mining, metallurgy, and the petroleum. PumpMac's ranges of products are water pump drive engine and accessories, PTO, advanced gearbox, pump head, water pump set, mobile pump trailer, drainage emergency vehicle. With years of experience in PowerPack supplying, our well-trained operation team can quickly understand and respond to customer needs. According to the working environment and requirement of our customers, we will provide the most cost-effective solutions and help customer to avoid mismatching problems, helping customers to improve efficiency and reduce communication costs.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time via email, telephone, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. For more details about our company products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, pumpmac.com.